Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a Michael's clearance haul for you. I went there over the weekend and I was able to pick up quite a bit of papers that were on sale for like 25 cents, 50 cents. They had Valentine's stuff that was 80% off. They didn't have a lot, but I was able to get some really cute stuff. And then I got a couple of Christmas candles, which is interesting because I thought that they had gotten rid of all the Christmas stuff, but apparently they didn't. Oh wait, and I got 2 Christmas pictures. So, let me show you. Here's one of the Christmas pictures that I got, which I thought was really pretty with the truck. And this one's a Christmas, I guess they're signs. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. And I got this flocked Christmas tree. That was really pretty. So yeah. I also got this candle. It's a 3-wick candle and the scent is, I wish I had Smell-O-Vision. It's bayberry and fir. And then I think this was part of Christmas. Oh no, this is from Target. Never mind, I'm not going to show that. Okay, so that was the Christmas stuff, and then the Valentine's stuff that I found for 80% off was these cute little like banner things, mini garlands. These. This cute ephemera. Is there 3 layers? Yeah, there's 3 layers to that. So cute. These little shaker stickers. They're this ephemera here. And I literally went there yesterday, so hopefully your Michael still has some stuff. And then these cute little heart doilies. And then a couple more things from Valentine's Day. I got 2 of these twines. And this twine. I got these adorable little washi tapes. And these bags, little goodie bags. And finally this cute little thing of sequins, heart sequins. So I think I did pretty good. So yeah, that was our Valentine's. And then I got these plastic beads. These were like in the kids section, Creatology. These were $2. I thought they were so pretty because they have like that like shimmer glaze over them. And let's see, I also got some papers, and like I said, everything was like either, I don't know what they're doing with all their papers, but there was so many of them that were on clearance. I hope they're replacing them. Like, I hope they're not making their paper section smaller, but I got a couple of these. I thought these would be nice if I do like a another circus theme, because I used a lot of the circus paper that I had, and turns out there's not a lot of circus paper collections out there. I got this, which I thought was so cool looking. And then I got these little stars. It's like vellum with gold stars. And then I thought these pineapples were really fun. Gold foil pineapples. And then I also got these pineapples, these like mint and gold. And I got some cute gold foil flamingo paper. And some unicorn on pink. I thought that was really pretty. And I got this, which is like corrugated paper. It's glitter, but it's like corrugated like how cardboard is. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. You see how it's like corrugated? So I thought that was kind of neat. Then let's see what else. I got this super cute bow paper. They're teeny tiny gold little bows. They had 2 of them, and girl, I got the last 2. I'm sorry. I always try not to, you know, take the last of everything, but I had to have it. Then I got this. I don't remember how much this was. I want to say it was $5, but I just had to have it because of the bees. That's really pretty garden charm. And you know, I had to have me some critters. It's kind of reminded me of Maggie Holmes a little bit. So I got 2 of those. And then I got these little, just little foil dots, which I thought was pretty. And let's see. Got this for some upcoming summer stuff, like mermaid and I don't know if you can tell, but the seaweed is like gold, I mean not gold, has like green glitter on it, so I thought that was pretty. And I got this pretty foiled rose paper. And let's see. Then I got the star paper. I thought that was really pretty. And let's see. Yeah. So that was my clearance haul from Michael's. I got some clearance stuff from Hobby Lobby that I probably will put. I probably made a video before this one, so if you didn't see that, go look on my channel and you'll see what I got there. I was able to get quite a bit of stuff over the weekend, so if you haven't had a chance to go out, go look. And I had to go to 3 stores though, since I'm getting a late start. So anyway, just wanted to share, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.